Hey guys, Satyajit Pattnaik here and welcome back to my channel. Well, this is a follow-up video on the announcement that has recently been done on the channel, welcoming you all for the free classes on Power BI, which is starting on 20th of March, Sundays at 7 p.m. IST. I hope everybody is aware of this news. If you are not aware of it, probably you will be aware of it right now as you are watching this video. Now, in the last video, I talked about a small, I gave a small form to fill, and I have also asked many people to basically post it on LinkedIn, basically create awareness among your friends and colleagues that there is a free class that's happening right now. Well, I collected a lot of emails through that form, but unfortunately, I will not be able to send a separate email to you with the class links and all those things. So I would request you to keep doing the same thing. Keep posting it on LinkedIn. Keep posting it on multiple WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups about the class. And however, my link will be public. So in short, what I'm going to tell you is that whether you post or not, you will still be able to join the classes, but as a gratitude or as a love towards the channel or respect towards what I'm doing, I would request you to post it on LinkedIn, create awareness so that I can have more students and more viewers on that particular video, right? So the first class link, which is scheduled on 20th of March, 7 p.m. IST. You can find the link in the description below. Go ahead and set up a reminder. Similarly, for future classes, for future sessions, which is on 27th, 3rd April and 10th of April, you will have to come back to the channel 1 or 2 days before, and you will be also be finding the links in the channel itself. So if you are subscribed, if you have pressed the bell icon, you will definitely get all the updates, or else if you are a part of my LinkedIn family, you will get all my updates for these classes. So you do not have to worry about when is the class, what is the link and all those things. Everything will be provided in the channel, either on community post or through some videos or through LinkedIn posts. So this is what you need to do. Keep an eye on the channel and trust me, we are going to rock. Now, one thing I couldn't explain in the last video is that curriculum. Recently, after the announcement video, at least 20-25 people have asked me, sir, what is the curriculum? Are you covering this? Are you covering that? So let me clarify this in this video, that each and everything will be covered in this session. So it's going to be a 6 hours of class, 2 hours of live project. In the 6 hours of class, we will be covering everything about Power BI, Power BI desktop, Power BI services, how does the Power BI architecture looks like, various DAX functions, time intelligence functions, X versus non-X functions, implicit measures, calculated columns, Power Query Editor, appending, merging, how to create relationships in Power BI, what is the security behind Power BI, row level security, how does administration works in Power BI, how to create different visualizations, different charts. So each and everything will be covered. I am pretty much sure that if you attend these classes and if you give little bit of time in practicing this, definitely there will be a breakthrough in your career, 100% sure. And then you can probably pay me back later on with some love, with some respect. You can pay me back. So nothing to worry about. These classes are going to be free. My whole intention is to have as much subscribers as possible, so please help me in this journey, and see you in the class on Sunday. Bye bye.